Uniswap value equivalent to $4.0572 a coin. The present reach: $4.0385, $4.1276. The earlier day close: $4.1204. The change was 0.0632, 1.53%. Converse rate: United States dollars to UNI. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $4.46. Greatest cost $4.69, least cost $3.59. The normal for the month $4.15. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.86, change for October 13.5%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $3.86. Most extreme cost $4.30, least cost $3.37. The normal for the month $3.79. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.62, change for November 6.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $3.62. Greatest cost $3.95, least cost $3.43. The normal for the month $3.67. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.69, change for December 1.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with, cost at $3.69. Greatest cost $3.69, least cost $2.88. The normal for the month $3.34. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.10, change for January 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.10. Greatest cost $3.85, least cost $3.10. The normal for the month $3.41. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.60, change for February 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.60. Most extreme cost $4.04, least cost $3.52. The normal for the month $3.74. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.78, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.78. Greatest cost $3.78, least cost $3.24. The normal for the month $3.57. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.48, change for April 7.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.48. Greatest cost $3.48, least cost $2.91. The normal for the month $3.25. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.13, change for May 10.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.13. Greatest cost $3.13, least cost $2.72. The normal for the month $2.98. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.92, change for June 6.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2.92. Greatest cost $3.09, least cost $2.69. The normal for the month $2.90. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.89, change for July 1.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $2.89. Most extreme cost $3.58, least cost $2.89. The normal for the month $3.18. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.35, change for August 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.35. Most extreme cost $3.35, least cost $2.74. The normal for the month $3.10. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.95, change for September 11.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October. Most extreme cost $2.95, least cost $2.31. The normal for the month $2.67. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.48, change for October 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $1.08. Greatest cost $1.08, least cost 85 cents. The normal for the month 98 cents. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 91 cents, change for December 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place cost at $0.91. Greatest cost $1.13, least cost 91 cents. The normal for the month $1. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.06, change for January 16.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.06. Greatest cost $1.28, least cost $1.06. The normal for the month $1.15. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.20, change for February 13.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $1.20. Most extreme cost $1.20, least cost 94 cents. The normal for the month $1.09. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.01, change for spring 15.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.01. Most extreme cost $1.01, least cost 79 cents. The normal for the month 92 cents. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end 85 cents, change for April 15.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.85. Greatest cost $1.06, least cost 85 cents. The normal for the month 94 cents. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end 99 cents, change for May 16.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.99. Greatest cost $1.23, least cost 99 cents. The normal for the month $1.09. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.15, change for June 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $1.15. Most extreme cost $1.42, least cost $1.15. The normal for the month $1.26. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.33, change for July 15.7%.